Hey beauties! Welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So here we go again, a one-piece sleeve because we have already done two perfect jumpsuits. These are my favorite new things. And for a long time I have an idea in my head to make a dress with a one-piece cut sleeve. The dress will be made of gorgeous black jersey. It stretches little along the length, stretches well across. Very high quality fabric. The pattern will consist of only two parts, a back and a bottom band. In the area of the side seams, there will be interesting details that go into the belt, which will be tied either on the back or on the bottom band, depending on your mood. In this issue, we will model the details of the dress based on the pattern we built for the overalls. The knitwear is set aside, and before starting with the pattern, look at the sketch. From the sides to the center to this narrow place, not where the waist is, two of this type of wings are tied. Narrow up to the elbow, and just above the elbow there is an extension. There have been no interesting sleeves for a long time. Lately my entire wardrobe is classic, so I want something new. Look at the sketch. When unfolded, the dress looks like this. These edges are sewn up. The bottom is hemmed, but these two parts, they will be tied with a bow. This is a complex dress that we will sew in a simple way. Dress length 107 centimeters. Sleeve 50 centimeters from the beginning of the shoulder. I remove the sketches. I'm starting to build. I use this pattern to build overalls. Center of the front, center of the back. There will be a seam in the center of the back. A knitwear without a seam is impossible. Look closely at the pattern. Now I will draw the back. I'll circle first. Let's check the bottom length. Once you have to make a pattern like this, and that's it. You will use it for a long time. $107 centimeters and 3 centimeters for a hem. 110 centimeters. Once you have to make a pattern like this, and that's it. And then you won't have a problem. At any time, you can sew whatever you want. Here's my basic pattern. Each of you have a different basic pattern. Now I measure along the waistline 25 with a half centimeters. I lay 19 centimeters along the waist to the side. 45 centimeters. Here I take up 4 centimeters. From point 5 to point 4, the belt will be sewn into this corner. We build a sleeve. You need to know the point where the sleeve begins. It is very important. I need to set aside 20 centimeters from the center. Here, from this point 50 centimeters, you need to find out how much in the elbow centimeters. $28 centimeters. Look carefully at my hands. I have 32 centimeters at the elbow. The sleeve is built. The pattern is gorgeous. Now I will cut. The back is ready. This is the seam. Any sleeve shape is suitable for this dress. Shuttlecock, cuff, ring cuff. Now I will see how wide my neck is. 9.5 centimeters. I will cut it now. Center of the front and center of the back on the same line. The highest point of the back rises by 2 centimeters. This point is here, and we will now build a shoulder. From this point we draw down 8 centimeters. And from this point we set aside 12 centimeters. Don't forget to look carefully what I'm doing. You should be very focused now.
Так, Ирина Михайловна, я очень хочу. Дальше. Смотрим сюда.
From this point along this line 15-20 centimeters we will have a line.
Вот так пойдет наша строчка.
Our pattern is ready. This is the line. I think the dress will be great. Choose the shape of the cut yourself. The pattern is ready. Wait for the next video. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform Global Fashion Workshop, the link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you in our next one. Bye!